in year 2023 we bought our first automat, that was SHA 12. So from past now 2 years we are using the SHA 12 model, and it is working excellent. Means if I compare it to the competitors which I am already using, they are equivalent to the Japanese machines. The thermal stability, the overall functionality and the precision that we are getting, as we are into a very small kind of components manufacturing, these are having a very tight tolerance, saying around plus minus 5 microns. To my surprise, in my SHA 12 we are easily able to cater these things.
SHA 12 has a good structure as far as tooling is concerned. It also has the ability to turn the parts as close to the guide bush. So the cycle time has drastically reduced.
Also, in the initial times when we were about to place the order for SHA 12, they guided us with all the technical things, what all will be included in the machine, what all not be included, software, what we can use, what we cannot use. Also, after the sales, till date we have no issues about the machine. In any scenario, we have Ace Micromatic guys standing with us, even if it is related to technical issues or it may be regarding any mechanical issues if we had. But till date we have no such issues and the machine is going very fine.
SHA meets the need of close tolerance jobs for the medical device, because as you know, medical components have very close fit. It is very easy in SHA 12 to maintain such close tolerance.
When we went out to buy an SHA 12 machine, we had something in our mind where we could simply reduce our cycle time. Thinking about those, we went into SHA 12. I think with those things we have come out with a flying colors. Some of our competition is now coming down from China, where we are facing these issues that components are coming down from China, say from XYZ rate and this and that. But thanks to SHA 12, very what I can say is near about tooling, we are able to achieve a less cycle time.
We are manufacturing medical devices which are equivalent to Israeli and Korean products, and we are already supplying the products to the doctors, and they are very happy with the quality we are supplying right now.
If I compare it to the any similar machine in those segments, it is quite economical, which help us to reduce our ROI. And this is how the SHA 12 has changed our journey for medical components. From say diameter that we are doing currently is starting from 3 mm up to maximum 6 mm. So these machines are very excellent if we are trying to do some smaller components. Even we are now have done some components suitable for aerospace which are the similar diameter and with an inconel material. So using a titanium, inconel or even SS, SHA 12 has no issues. It can cut and metal like an butter. So overall with SHA 12 we are confident with Ace and their machines.
SHA 12 is designed in such a way that its user interface is so easy, so that it is very easy for us to use it for the day-to-day life.
And eventually now we have planned for 3 more machines in this year, that is SHA 20. Seeing the betterment of the machines, the quality of the machine, the stability and the overall performance, we are now keen to use only Ace automats in our medical components.